This is my creamy baked chicken with rice and green beans. This is the way I like my tacos, and that is with corn chips. This is a bacon and cheese toast sandwich with canned peaches. The hubby is preparing a ham and cheese sandwich with hot fries. This is a cheeseburger with French fries and tater tots. And right here we are having shrimp noodles with eggs. This is just 2 corn dogs with french fries and ketchup. Jambalaya with smoked sausage. Chicken strips with cheesy garlic bread with leftover jambalaya and leftover white rice. Brownies with chunks of walnut. The can says manwich, but I call it sloppy joe. So we had sloppy joes with tater tots drizzled in nacho cheese sauce. It was really, really good. Flatbread chicken nacho pizza. Smoked sausage with sweet honey barbecue sauce. Chicken sandwich with cheese with cheddar nacho chips. Waffle pancake with Jimmy Dean smoked sausage and Blackburn syrup. Y'all already know. It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. If you're trying to be nosy and see what else I cook while being out on the road for 3 weeks, go watch my vlogs 1 through 8, day in the life of a trucker's wife, and get caught up. So if you made it to this part of the video, you already know what time it is. I appreciate you for appreciating me. Keep coming back to watch my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in the next one. Bye!